Alright guys, we are finally doing Flawless Boppers round 7. Probably going to be the final round of this. This one only took 17 days to fill, and that's some kind of indication that it's lost its steam. But here we are. We got 4 boxes of Super Break to choose from. We got 1 box of Flawless Basketball that's going to be used. Again, the way this works, the top 90 spots after the random is done on the names, the top 90 names will get a spot in the Super Break box. The rest of everybody else will get a random player in the Flawless box. We'll roll the trusted 8-sided die I got from Mr. Original Egg. So choose the Super Break box. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5. It's the top box. Bam. Alright, let's roll for the draw. Good luck. One plus. Damn it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 times. 7 times. Good luck. Again, top 90. Top 90, you are in Super Break. Start with Z. This will be the bar card spot on the bottom. 1 to 1 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one. Remember, top 90. Top 90 are in Big Boppers. 7. Wow for Real is number 1, and number 90 is D-Dow 2667. I'm going to take the numbers off here. We'll paste it onto the, take the numbers off. Makes it easier to sort. A lot of spots here. Give you guys a quick look at 1 through 30 so you can find your name, see if you're in Big Boppers. I'll give you the first 3 pages of 30 to see the top 90 here. 1 to 30 there. This will all be posted on the website, so don't worry if you miss it right now. You'll be able to look at the website as long as you need to find your name and stuff. 31 to 60. Alright, and 61 to 90. You guys are all in Big Boppers. We're going to draw the teams for the Big Boppers right now. I'm going to put a little gap in here. Eagle Eye 82 just missed the cutoff. I'm going to insert a space here just to make a gap between the Big Boppers and the Flawless. Alright, let's go on to the Big Bopper teams. Start with a 3-spot combo on the bottom. The Mystery Redemption, Soccer, and College Coaches is a 1 spot, and the Chicago Bulls on the top 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, good luck, 7. The Buffalo Bills on the top spot. The Houston Rockets, number 90. Okay, I'm going to sort the first 90 by your username, just so it's easier to find them at the end, once we get there. By your username. So there you go. So we have the numbers first, 7 Mojo. You can see all the A's, B's, C's, D's, a lot of D-Dows, Gems, and such, all the way down through number 90. Cool. We'll read those off in a second. Let's go on to the Flawless part of the break, get the draw done. Eagle Eye 82 starts it off in that number 92 spot. And your Flawless names, Zydrunas Ilgauskas on the bottom, AC Green on the top. Good luck. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th and final hit, cross fingers, oh, wins. 7. Mark Aguirre is number 1. And Anthony Davis is number 189. I've got to move this over because I can't click the thing to take the numbers off. There we go. Anthony Davis on the bottom. Mark Aguirre up top. So Eagle Eye. It's Mark Aguirre. And again, we're going to sort this alphabetically by your names on the left. Make it easier. It's a fun one. Alright. There you go. Alright, let's go back up to the top. We're going to go and read. Here are the first 30 in Super Break. 7 Mojo through D-Dow. Catch your team or your group. Yeah, group 6 here. Historical figures, presidentials, or authors. Benedict says authors here. Oops. At the end. Historical figures, president, and authors. Alright. 31 down to 60 is more D-Dow down through NBA. I'm sorry, N Banks Fan 14. N Banks Fan 14. Sorry, NBA. I don't know why he's got an N in front of him. I think he's just Banks Fan. But Banks Fans, for some reason, there's an N in front of your name here. We'll get rid of that in a second. Where are you? Confuse anybody. There you go. Just a little typo. Actors, actresses, and musicians. Different one right there. There's the mystery spot, college soccer and college coaches. Alright, and 61 down to 90. Original egg through Yang Yang Ray. That is the end. The final spots for Super Break. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, guys. Now we're going alphabetical by your usernames, and we're checking out your team or your players in Flawless, starting with 1-1 down to Card Attack. Your Flawless players. Alright. 122 is Charabomb down to 153. D-Dow. A lot of D-Dows. That had a ton of spots overall. Oh man. Got a bunch in this Flawless. Alright, 152 down to 181. More D-Dow down to Findiz. D's, E's, and F's. Kobe and Magic for Dizzy D-Ski. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, 182 down to 211. We got F. Yo Couch down to Laker Fan 13. Yeah, right. I ain't reading that. You can read it. All right. 212, Lassie, or Lasse, Touring down to Raul Felix. Piazza, the one spot in some John Wall right there. Postman Bill Russell. You quit already. You gave up your rights to that card. You said you quit. It's random now to everybody else. Quitter. $242 down to $271. Rich Coat of Wow for Real. Hit my phone. Damn it, I hate my. Oh, it's right here. Right in front of me. Of course. Of course. And the end. Down through 280. This will be the bar spot. Maybe there's a Jose Calderon bar spot. Bar card. Might be right. Out of Flawless. The bar. Jose Calderon. Alright, guys and gals. I'm going to post this on the website. You can look it over at length. We'll break it very quickly here.